Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today we're going to do a little review on the new KOPARI coconut melt. Now it says it's new on the Sephora website and everybody's saying it's brand new. The girl at ULTA was saying that it's new and it's just flying off the shelves and stuff. But you know, I kind of went snooping around YouTube for a little bit, and this actually has been around for about a year, so I don't quite understand why they're saying it's new. I don't know, I could be wrong, but when I went and looked, it said a year ago, and this was, you know, the product they were talking about. Anyway, I'm just saying. Okay, but it's new to me. All right, so this is KOPARI coconut melt. There are two different sizes. This is, let's see, 5.1 fluid ounces. They do have a smaller one. This one's $28. The other one is $18. You might as well, because it's actually really small, you might as well just spend the extra bucks and get this one, except the other one's good for traveling. All right, so I was very curious about this, because it says it's a coconut melt. I love to smell like coconut food, you know, anything like that. But I was a little curious about this one because I have my raw coconut, which is only $5.99. This one's $28. And this one you could actually eat. If you have a thyroid problem, this is actually great for you because it helps you with your metabolism. That's what I do. I kind of eat like a spoonful of them. It's nasty, but I've been trying it out because some people swear by it for weight management. I'm tired of being a little chubba. All right, so this one right here is great for lips, for your lips as a gloss. It's great for your skin. It's great for your hair. It does says it's good for any hair type. I don't really agree with that because I have really super thick, curly, crazy, unruly hair. So it's super dry, so when I put it in, my hair is really oily, but like the next day it kind of absorbs it. I did take it to work and kind of tried on some of the other girls. If you have thicker texture hair and curly hair, this is going to be great. If you have finer, thinner hair, you're not going to like it. It's going to make your hair really greasy unless you use it like a mask, like it kind of suggests here. So I was looking to see what the difference in the two are, and when I went on the Sephora website, this is what it says. This is not your kitchen coconut oil. KOPARI tested dozens of coconuts from all over the world and discovered the most premium for use on both skin and hair. Like fine wine or olive oil, the quality of the fruit as well as how it is harvested makes all the difference. KOPARI coconut is sustainably sourced from small family farms in the Philippines and made from fresh virgin and 100% organic coconut. So quality, texture, absorbing aroma isn't like any other oil on the market. Okay, so that is why, but you can't eat this or anything. It is silicone, sulfate, let's see, paraben free. And the only thing, I mean, I could be wrong. This is just my opinion because I'm trying to figure out. This one right here does smell like coconut. It's like when you apply it, it does have like a, you know, like a lingering little scent of coconut, which this one really doesn't. I mean, it smells like coconut, but it's not as potent as the smell of this one. Now, this one is a lot paler than this one, as you could see. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on this shoulder. Now, it does give you like a really nice little dewiness to your skin, but it doesn't stay the whole time. Like, it does make your skin really soft. I've been shaving my legs with it, and I've already seen a huge difference in my skin, but the same thing goes for this one. So it does leave your skin a little bit dewiness. Now I'm going to go ahead and go on this side and apply it so that you could see it. It melts the same way. It does everything pretty much the same. I guess it just depends on what you want to do. I mean, they're both great, except this one's $28.18 and this is $5.99 at Home Goods, or for $7 you get it at Walmart, I believe. So I don't really see the big difference. Besides, you can't eat this one and it smells more like coconut. I mean, please leave me your comments down below if you know something different. I could be wrong. This is just my opinion. I really am enjoying this one. This one I strictly use for my hair, my body. It's great like underneath your eyes. Like I get really dry. And I've been kind of using it on my face, taking my makeup off and stuff like that, which I really love. So for $28 though, I don't think it's something that I would purchase again, just because you get the same use out of this one and more. So anyway, that's just my opinion, of course. Please leave me some comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you found something else completely different or anything like that, I'd love to hear it. And that's it. I mean, I've been enjoying it, but for $28, I don't think I would buy another one. Anyway, that's my review on it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video helped you out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye.